Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming size and clothing. Measure chest, wear a thin shirt, and check mirror alignment. Slide the corrector over your shoulders like a backpack. Make sure the back panel sits between shoulder blades. Once on, fasten the waist strap loosely so it holds but doesn't pull. You'll feel light tension immediately, that's normal. Make sure straps are symmetrical and the device is centered. This initial fit sets the stage for effective posture retraining, so take a moment to verify comfort and alignment. Once the corrector is on, tighten the shoulder straps gradually until your shoulders draw gently backward. Do not force full retraction. You should be able to breathe and move your arms through a natural range. If not, release a notch. Use a mirror or phone camera to confirm shoulder blades are mildly approximated and the back panel remains centered. Make micro adjustments while standing and sitting to find a balance between corrective pressure and comfort. Because sustainable wear relies on tolerable tension that still cues posture. Complete each session by noting comfort and mobility. Begin with short 15 to 30-minute intervals and gradually increase time as muscles adapt. After wear, perform gentle shoulder rolls and chest stretches to relieve tension. If you experience sharp pain, numbness, or skin irritation, immediately loosen straps and discontinue until you reassess fit. Consult a specialist if problems persist. For slipping or misalignment, remove and redon the corrector. Recenter the back piece and make small strap adjustments to restore stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.